Okay, Eric Bain, I am back again with you guys. We are almost done. Yes, we have about 10 days left together. And the grade, and I've been telling you guys that the grade that goes in on September 24th will be your final grade. If you have a 59.9, you're going to fail the class. Okay? No matter what happens, that's the day that the grades are done. That's the time that we cannot improve. Until between now and then is the time for you to improve. Many of you are doing fantastic. You've been recognized. I've been extremely impressed with the hard work put in by so many of you students. Just amazing. You all have a lot of distractions in your lives. Nobody out there I've talked to has it easy. There's no easy situation in life. And everybody that's doing well is doing well against the odds. Some folks, though, are playing games. I'm not sure what they're doing. I have at least 2 students. Names have been blocked out, as you can see. These are exactly pictures I took just a few minutes ago about grades. What is going on? I said, stop playing games. That's my little frown. Why am I frowning? Because I know you can do better. I know that there are students that can get A's. There's no reason they should be getting D's and F's. Just there's no reason for it. And it's depressing. It saddens me. It disheartens me because you aren't doing what you should and what you can be doing. If you're doing this kind of grades, come on. A D, look at this person here, a 60.66. This person might pass, but they might not. They're playing a real tough game here. This has been going on for weeks. All right, same with the student here. You know, you just might fail. You might pass, you might not. Is it worth playing games with all this money? Just get in here. Here's student number 1, no names again. Look at this. The student didn't do any discussions. It takes only, an hour at the most to make a discussion. Didn't do that. All right, we have C pluses here, but you won't pass the class by getting C's in telepath. You've got to get better grades. And then they failed in the 3rd unit. Don't play this game. This is very, very foolish. All right, and I know that these C's can be B's and A's. The F is absurd. I'll get that up to a B at least. Look at the second student here. Second student, again, too busy. I guess couldn't do the discussions. All right. IntelliPath is worth 80% of your grade. Discussions are worth 20%. My recommendation is to do both. If you absolutely can't, then work on your IntelliPath. Especially if you don't care about getting an A or a B, you can still pass. The student here did it. They got a B in the first IntelliPath. And then, what is this, an F here in number 2? Number 3 is a D. And they're doing some of the discussions, kind of mix and match. This, you need to be putting forth 5 weeks of hard work. Not 1 or 2 weeks, but 5 weeks. All right, that's what's going to happen. You're going to get stuck here. Do you really want a D even? I mean, you're going to pass, but who's going to hire a person with a D? Come on, guys, get those A's. I saw some students that I would definitely hire for a job, and I've done hiring before. There's some great people out there. Wow. This is not the kind of work that I want to see. So get it up. Come on. This is silly. Stop playing games. Everybody out there is busy. Everybody out there has problems. I know it. The students who are getting A's, they told me what they're going through. Not easy. Even worse, these 2 students here have already failed before. See a little R there. They're repeating the class again. Again, no names. But these are people who, I'm not sure what's going on. I mean, put forth your effort. And even if you're getting a C in the class, get a B, get an A. If you're failing, if you're get that grade up. Okay, like this kind of grade at 94 F, get it up. How can you do it? Sure, you can do it. I'm going to show you how. I'm not just going to come here and ream you out. I'm going to help you. I'm done. You think you're done? No, you're not done yet. You could fix it. Some people still write to me, oh, can I improve my grade? Of course you can. I've been saying that since day 1. Don't come to me and ask me that question because you know you can. You know you can improve that grade. No question. Your grade is not final. Isn't that a great deal? Nowhere else they do that. I've never seen a school that does that. You can go back and fix it. What a wonderful, wonderful option. This is like amazing. You're being given a gift, folks. Use that gift. All right? Go back and fix it. Okay? I will send you guys, I've sent you guys revisions, or you can do your own practice revision. If I was you, go ahead and do them first. Work on the red buttons and then the yellows. All right? Be proactive. Don't wait for me. All right? Don't wait for someone to come to help you. Right? You could do it. Right? I want to see a person who's out there working hard, right? You could do this. Look over here. Each revision has the opportunity to improve your knowledge state. Wow. Here's how you do it. Practice and revise. Okay? And it just goes right through here. It's real simple. Okay? You could do this. You can do this. No question in my mind. Just go red, and then yellow. And then light green if you want. But get rid of the red and the yellows, okay? Get that score up and do it now. We are running out of time. We are running out of time. It's not good right now. Okay? This just showed you how to do it again. Practice and revise. Practice and revise. Okay? I want to see your grades going up. Let me know when you practice and revise. All of you guys. There's no reason to have an F in IntelliPath or even a D. All right? Show me your stuff. Show me you can do it. Go for the gold. I want to see you guys excelling. I won't take no for an answer. You have 10 days left. Start today. Not tomorrow, not the next day, not when you have time. Make the time and start today. Okay? And email me back that you watched this and you found it helpful and you are starting. Okay? Start the work now. Okay? I'm watching. I am watching. I go on every day and I look at everybody. Okay? Let me know and email me. Good luck.